Welcome to the shooter game, and this time we're doing episode 5. Oh, okay. So, we first save as a copy, and then we're gonna change this to episode 5. So, we need to go to ammo, and we're gonna make a new sprite called ammo numbers, cause you won't have infinity ammo, so you need to put it in and put it in again. So we need to make a new variable called ammo number. Oh, okay. For all sprites. Okay. So we first set ammo number to 20. So you got 20 ammos. And then if key space press, we need to make one more if and duplicate this, right click, duplicate that, and key space press. We're gonna take these out and put this at the top and this one at the bottom. So in the top, if key space press, bring it and key space press and equal ammo number equal 0. Then you wait because you need to reset your ammo 0.75 seconds, and then you're gonna set ammo number back to 20. Okay, let's try. And this, when if key space press here, over here, you need to bring a change ammo number by -1. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so we press start, and it's going down. Okay, let me just get this ammo to 0. Yeah, so we can't shoot that time, so maybe some enemies will pass through sometimes. Okay, so this one is keep blocking my score, so I think I'm gonna take it up a little bit to show you. Okay, so now it works. We're gonna here change ammo number by -1. Okay, so uh wait. And uh, we're gonna make one more variable called fire rate, the capital F, fire rate. Okay, for all sprites, I'm putting it here. So we first set fire rate, fire fire rate to 0.6, and we're gonna take the 0.6 fire rate to here. So, okay. So you shoot faster now. Yeah. And then we're finishing this episode by playing some games of other people. But first, let's I'm gonna hide these fire rates and ammo numbers. I'm gonna hide these, and I'm gonna put this back down. So we're gonna play some. Mm, I think maybe some shooter game. Okay, shooter game. So, you remember me last time played those games, so I'm not gonna copy those and play those games again. Okay, I might gonna play Nemeloids this game. Um, if you wanna know how to play this game, uh, there's a there's a YouTuber called Gift Patch. You can copy him and make this Nemeloid game. Okay, so okay, wow. Hmm. So I'm gonna try. There's also okay. So it's like gift patches, but to make some difference. Well, there's achievements. There's also achievements. Okay, so it make a lot of difference with achievement. Maybe it will make you shoot faster. Okay. Sometimes when I play this game with my own, I copy one of them, copy give patch, and I just a little bit laggy. Yeah, like this. Sometimes, but see, there's a little bit laggy, too laggy, cause too much. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna give this a like, cause it is a good game, and we're gonna play another game. Maybe, hmm, Dark Road. So, whoa. Okay, you can see that your skin. So uh, I'm choosing this one. Okay, and I'm gonna play. Oh, you get shield. There's achievement. No, there's no. I mean, there's there's no. Oh, there's sounds. Okay, and this also makes me an idea for my shooter game. We're gonna make some sounds. Enemy here. Okay, let's try. We're gonna go to sounds. Go to and select a sound. Effect. Which one do you think is good? Well, Zoop. This one, I think. Okay, so here when I touch ammo, we're gonna go to sounds and place. After change score by 5, we're gonna place down Zoop into them. Okay, let's try. So, oh, okay. That would be a problem. Cause, okay, we're gonna make one more if touching ammo. We're gonna place down Zoop. Okay, here. We're gonna put it down there. Okay, so we're gonna try again. We're gonna start. Okay, there's no sounds. So I'm gonna put it here and try. Oh, oh, I think I know. We're gonna start sound. Start sound. And delete this clone. Okay, yay. So now we have a sound that when we touch this enemy, uh, mm, maybe when I shoot my ammo, I think I do some sounds. Maybe if you want to. So effects. No. Okay. Maybe crunch. Delete pop. And when key space press start sound crunch. After this, I think. Okay. So now there's sound effects. I think it's better. You guys cannot add those sounds if you want to. You can. Okay. So this is the end of our whole series of shooter games series. Okay. Well, bye bye. And you sometimes can add your own stuff and remember to show it out the here here show just do this. You guys can play my game. Okay, there I'm gonna go to see project page here if you want to share it, and I'm gonna tell people press the uh, press the up and down key to move up and oh down to move up and down. Uh, and press space to shoot. So, okay, I'm gonna write, I make this project by my, oh, So I'm gonna do by myself because I really like this game. So I'm gonna press share. Okay, so this is the end of the episode. Bye bye, and the whole series. Bye.